Okay, today on Steven's Trains, what is this?
So we're like reviewing this cool little Stirling engine my dad got. It's like a little steam engine, but like uses air instead of steam.
Give it a little nudge towards you. This is full of boiling water, which is supposed to heat the air and drives the piston.
Hopefully this becomes a popular video, but here you go anyways.
Listen to that baby purr.
Yeah, I really like it. If you hold it. Yeah, it's actually kind of cool. Really like it.
It's getting faster slowly. Apparently it'll go for like an hour or something.
Go faster, gosh friggin' darn it. You guys should just give it a little bit of a tighter nudge.
I feel like it's going slower. Maybe it needs some oil or something.
There we go. There we go.
It's still slowing down. Reaches a happy medium. I feel like this is a metal cup we use, which absorbs a lot of the heat. If we used a ceramic one, I feel like it would go a little faster.
Wait, let me try something. Wait. Trying to get it to spin like really, really fast. Dad, try and get it to spin like really fast.
I mean, I don't want to spill hot water. Here. Hold the phone.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Anyways. Juju just about to play Watermill Valley Railway, but anyways. Yeah, dear. Gonna make it brighter.
I'm gonna put that on my coffee at work in the morning, and when it stops turning, I'll know it's cool enough to drink. That's so cool, man. I could just leave that pumping for hours.
Wait, I have an idea. Oh, crap.
You could put like a little candle with like a little thing of boiling water. You know what I mean? Like you could put this on top of a little candle to keep the water heated, and that thing could keep turning for hours.
Oh crap, X.
Do you see the piston down here? Underneath, look.
I saw that, Dad.
That is so cool. It was like $30. To me, that is good for $30.
Yeah, dude. It's kind of worth $30, bro.
Right? Love
So, please like and subscribe, or I'll throw a wooden train in your face.